What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's your girl Libby, and the video today is going to be the butterfly locks. I actually purchased the crochet hair, but that was an epic fail, so I had to improvise the best way I knew how. So if y'all want to see me do this style and see what it looks like in the end, continue watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button and leave any comments you have down below. And we're going to get right into it. Okay, so y'all, basically what I had to do, because the loops on the crochet hair was so small, I couldn't crochet the hair in, so I just decided to wrap the hair around my hair a few times, or as tight as I could get it. And when I say wrap it around, just basically mean like I took the loop and wrapped it around my plait like a rubber band. And I did it like 2 or 3 times, or as much as it would allow me to do it. And I just did that instead of crocheting it in, because like I said, the loop was so small. It was giving me a hard time even trying to get the lock back through the loop after crocheting it. So I decided to do it this way because it would save me a lot of time and it was just less stressful. So basically the rest of the video is just me doing this. What you guys see me doing here, I'm just wrapping this hair around the lock all the way past my hair. And if I just happen to run out of the hair that I'm using to wrap the lock, I would just get more hair and just continue wrapping. I would start from where I left off and just continue wrapping down until my hair is completely covered. And I would use some nail glue to secure it in place. And when I got done with my entire head, I went in with some Got To Be freeze spray to really give it that firm hold and dim little baby hairs. And that was it, you guys. If you want to know the kind of hair I use, I will leave that in the description box. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that now. Thumbs up the video. And if you have any comments, leave them down below. And I will talk to y'all on the next one.